Hey guys, Jeremy at Great Fermentations here. Today we are going to show you how to make a starter with Proper's concentrated wort from Omega. So basically we've got everything we need here. Thing you're going to start with is your sanitized Erlenmeyer flask. And we've got that ready to go. We always recommend Star San for all sanitization that we do. So from there, all you're going to do is you're going to take one of these, give it a quick spray with your Star San. That's sprayed down a little bit. And then we will just crack this open. Sounds like a beer, but it's not. I wouldn't recommend drinking it. So then we're just going to pour this right into our flask here. Okay. So from there you got a couple different choices. I've measured out some water, which you're going to add, or you can just refill the can with RO or purified water. Either one will work, but we've already got this measured here, so we'll give this a go. And we're just going to, again, we're just going to pour that in there. So we've got our water in there, we've got our proper starter in there. Next we're going to add our yeast. We're using a hothead Kvike from Omega. We're just going to give that a quick spray, kill any buggies on there, maybe go ahead and hit our scissors too that we're going to use. So we'll get those cleaned up. And we'll just cut through this right here. And we'll go ahead and add this yeast, get a little quick little knead there. Go ahead and add that to our flask and get everything going. Okay. Last thing from there, we'll go ahead and switch our stir plate on. After that, the only thing left to do is go ahead and give it a cap, and you can do that one or two ways. You can cap it off with the foam plug, which you sell in the store, or if you don't have that handy, you can just use a piece of aluminum foil. So what we do again is we hit it with our Star San. And this is mostly just to keep bugs out and everything else. So with that, with our Star San. And then we just kind of lightly crimp it down on the top. And there you go. You got a yeast starter ready to roll, no boiling, none of that. It's ready to go. Next couple days, you'll have a bright, lively yeast culture that's ready to gobble any wort you throw at it. Thanks for watching.